We're about to head up to the Keepers of the Old Ways up in Alabama. We got some chores to do. We got to get ready. We got to pack up. We got some stuff that we need to get ready for the workshops. But we'll see you up there, and looking forward to meet you. What choice do I have? You wouldn't mind closing the gate after me again? Yeah. You would mind? Yeah, I got you. Okay. You're what? If you're going to go and use the house, I cannot wait until yeah, I know the passenger.
And then I think it just kind of was like doing one thing and then the next thing and the next thing.
Yeah, we can try it.
20-acre plot. We're the only people that actually live in this it's a 6,000 acre hunting camp basically, and we're the only people that live out there.
Great Pyrenees.
Great Pyrenees?
Great Pyrenees.
Great Pyrenees?
Okay. That is Mira in between Roxy and our male Anatolian, Roscoe, and our Great Pyrenees is Piper.
Is there anybody? Think about before they had electricity. All they had was salt and a smokehouse.
How to live a simpler life, how to get a community, friendships that can help you learn things that you don't know.
Because at the end of the day, we have so much goodness growing all around us, and the simple thing is, we just forgot. We forgot how to use all the plants that grow everywhere in our garden. learned what psychus means, because there's nothing more frustrating than growing a garden and then preserving food, and then you get excited a year later and you open that jar and like, this is